Number 5, mistakes every Android user makes. Most people think buying a good Android phone is enough. It isn't. Some of the biggest problems people face, slow performance, poor battery life, lost accounts, even stolen personal data, come from simple mistakes. The good news, every one of these mistakes is easy to fix. Mistake number 1, never updating your phone. Many people ignore software updates because they think nothing changes. But updates don't just add new features. They also fix security holes that hackers already know about. Every month, companies patch new vulnerabilities. If you keep postponing updates, you're leaving the front door unlocked. Turn on automatic updates whenever possible. It takes just a few minutes, and it could save your data. Mistake number 2, installing apps from unknown sources. That free premium app or modified game may cost you far more than money. Apps downloaded from random websites can contain malware, spyware, or software that secretly steals passwords. Stick to trusted app stores. Before installing anything, read reviews, check the developer, and look at the number of downloads. A few seconds of checking can prevent a major problem. Mistake number 3, ignoring storage warnings. When your storage is almost full, everything slows down, apps crash, the camera takes longer to save photos, updates fail, and your phone struggles with everyday tasks. Delete duplicate photos, remove apps you never use, clear unnecessary downloads. Keeping at least 20% of your storage free helps your phone stay fast. Mistake number 4, using the same password for everything. If one website gets hacked, every account using that same password becomes a target. Your email, your bank, your social media, everything. Create unique passwords for important accounts. Even better, use a password manager and always enable two-factor authentication. It adds one extra step, but it blocks most unauthorized logins. Mistake number 5, leaving Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on all day. Keeping them enabled isn't always dangerous, but it does increase battery drain, and in some situations, it can expose your device to unnecessary connection requests. When you're finished using Bluetooth, turn it off. When you leave home, disable Wi-Fi if you don't need it. Small habits like these help your battery last longer and reduce unnecessary risks. Smart users don't need expensive phones, they simply avoid expensive mistakes. Update your phone, protect your accounts, manage your storage, and use your Android the smart way.